How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about detox drinks for weight loss that you can make at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in the online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. Now, the first drink is going to be mix lemon, ginger, and honey into a glass of water and drink that. This is one of the best detox drinks that you can have for weight loss. Drink 2, this is my personal favorite. You add 1 cup of raspberries, some spinach and blueberries, and water and blend it together. You then drink the smoothie. This is one of the healthiest smoothies you can drink and will help detox your body for weight loss. Third drink is green tea and lemons. This is a personal favorite of mine and one of the best detox drinks you can have if you are trying to reduce your waist measurement. Drink 4 is apple, orange, and lemon. Mix this together in a blender and drink it. This is another common detox drink that a lot of people have been using that has been showing results. I highly recommend doing this one, you guys. Drink 5 is going to be raspberry and lemon. This is another helpful detox drink. Just mix the two together using a blender and drink it. Your body will be detoxed after drinking this. It's amazing for weight loss. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.